General Steel designs, engineers, and ships complete steel-framed sheds for a wide variety of uses. Compared to wood-framed sheds, steel-framed buildings last longer, provide enhanced security, and are much easier to maintain over the long term. When you work with General Steel to customize your shed, you get more choices, more quality, and more shed for your money. Every General Steel shed 400 square feet and larger uses I-beam construction with your choice of windows, doors, skylight insulation, framed openings, and more. And every steel building we sell is backed by the industry's best structural warranty, lasting 50 years. Your new steel shed from General Steel will be kitted and shipped with everything needed to frame and enclose the entire building. All you need to provide are the anchor bolts and a proper foundation. All the components you need to build your new shed arrive on site in shipments that are fast and easy to unload with a 2-person team and a forklift. Need help building your new shed? Just ask. We maintain a professional network of pre-qualified local contractors who can assist you with every aspect of your project, from framing to electrical and more. All General Steel sheds can be sized to suit your specific use. Our most popular sizes start with our 20-foot by 20-foot shed, an economical choice that doesn't compromise on quality. For those who need more space, our 20-foot by 30-foot shed delivers 600 square feet of uninterrupted interior space, with enough room for a workbench, dedicated vehicle storage, and more. The 30-foot by 40-foot option brings the total interior space to 1,200 square feet, with even more room to add an office, machine shop, or additional vehicle storage. Our largest standard size for sheds is 40 feet by 40 feet, which provides ultimate flexibility to truly make your new shed complete with everything you need, including overhead garage doors, multiple repair bays, and equipment storage with room to spare. Whichever size you choose, your General Steel project will be overseen by a dedicated project manager who will keep you updated on the progress of your order starting on day 1. You'll always know exactly what the status is, and if you have any questions, you'll know who to call for fast answers. At General Steel, our mission is the total success of your steel building project from start to finish. When you're ready for your free, no obligation quote for the perfect steel office building to suit your needs, we'll be here to help.